Okay, in my last video I was showing you how to make the male torso. In this video I'm going to show you the female torso, and we're going to use two shapes. We're going to use a triangle and we're going to use a circle. And that's pretty much it. Of course, you know, we're going to use a straight line too, but hey, a triangle and a circle, and we're going to draw the female figure. Okay, hello and welcome to another Vanquish Studio video, and before we get started I just want to remind you to hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's get started. First we're going to do our comparative measurements, because the female figure, heroic figure, I'm just going to make it the same as the male heroic figure. So I'm going to start with the head, right, and I'm just going to put the head right there, which is, there we go. Alright, I'll have to work on that anyway. And then I'm going to measure down. So I'm going to put the neck in here. The neck is a little bit more narrow for women, but you know, women have muscles too. I'm not going to put too many in there. We don't want to look too masculine. Okay, 3 heads wide. We got 1, 2. Alright, so I know that I'm supposed to make it this wide. Alright, 1 head, 2 heads, 3 heads, 4 heads. Alright. So now I've got my head and I've got my measurement right here. Here is where the triangles come in. I'm going to draw a triangle like this to this second line, and then from the middle of this line I'm going to draw right here between these two. I'm going to draw another triangle out like this. Okay? So now we have basically the hips of the female. So I'm going to emphasize this just a little bit more. Put a little bit right here. Here is the deltoid, just like with the male figure thing. Okay, anyway, this is a torso tutorial, so I'm just gonna do the torso. Sorry about that. Alright, so just like in the male, you have the clavicle. Okay, here's where the circles come in. Don't laugh, don't giggle, these are the breasts. Right here where our first line is, we are going to come down right here and we're going to make a curved shape, like so. And right over here we're going to do the same thing. We'll make a curved shape. Now, if it doesn't match all the way over here, that's alright. This right here is the armpit. And then right here where we made our triangle, we'll have the waist come in. Okay. And then right here is our groin area, for lack of a better word. Sorry about that, but that's exactly what it is. And then the hips come back out like this. And then of course, if you want to, you can add, like women do have, you can add, you know, a little bit of musculature to your female character. Yeah, let me fix this. Hold on. Okay, and that's too much. Let's come like this. Okay, there we go. Okay, that is how you make the female character. Now, if the waist, if the rib, this part is too big, you can always bring it in a little bit. But that is how you make the female figure. And I'm not gonna go any further into that. Well, I guess you know, you can add stuff to it, but that's basically it. You know what? Let me ink this. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna make this look like the Venus de Milo. Okay, so I didn't draw the arms. That's another tutorial. That's another day. I did show you how you can make the female figure using two triangles, one pointing down and then another one pointing up. You put them together at the second line when you do your comparative measurements, and you should have a pretty convincing female figure. Anyway, okay, well, I hope you found that helpful, and if you did, you know, don't forget to like it, share it, leave a comment, and I will see you next Friday.